Hey guys, it's all good to see you back here on this YouTube channel on this beautiful Tuesday morning, day, afternoon, wherever you are. So yeah, the mining profits has been crazy again last couple of days. Just again the same thing as I explained a couple of weeks ago. The Ethereum usage has gone out of control. The people are paying crazy gas fees. Like I'm doing some staking, also on a DeFi. It's called synthetics. I talked about that on the channel back in October. To claim the staking fees, I have to pay $300 into the transaction fees, which is crazy. It's not good. It's not good. Blockchains are supposed to be for microtransactions also, but currently Ethereum is not for microtransactions. It's only for whales who love to flip the coins on Uniswap and from crazy jump mining and some sushi mining, who probably is in this stuff already will understand what I'm talking about. Yeah, it's the crazy DeFi stuff where you can basically, generate more coins with your coins, like mine different coins. But anyways, that's this whole different story. In this video episode, we are building the 2080 super mining rig, probably the most expensive mining rig which I ever have built, with a 2080 super EVGA GPUs, and we'll see, if it's really, if it's useful to choose such a expensive high-end graphics cards for mining, or you better can choose something cheaper for mining. So yeah, let's see what kind of build we have here, and you can hit that like button now. As far as you understood, this video will be very interesting. So guys, yeah, this is what I have here. These 12 beauties, 2080 super from EVGA. Man, these cards really feel premium when you take them in your hand. You cannot compare. You can feel straight away they're a lot more heavier. You can feel a lot of the build quality, just premium on these graphics cards. Is also the price, of course. If it's suitable for mining, that's a whole lot different story. They are very good for CPU hard mining algorithms. So basically, the AMD is better for memory efficient mining algorithms, and there's no really that big of a network effect for some of the coins which are CPU mineable coins. There's the biggest probably mineable coin is Bitcoin, which is ASIC miner. Then there's the second one is Ethereum, which is also ASIC, but the ASICs are not as efficient as the on a Bitcoin, where basically it could do 1000x on a GPU efficiency, where on Ethereum it could do approximately only 2.5x, but still, if you are calculating, for example, the most efficient ASIC miner for Ethereum, Unminer A10, then and compare it to RX 5070, then if you compare this price per hash, there is not much of a difference than on the RX 5700 GPU mining rig. So yeah, this rig is 8 GPU build, and I'm using 10 GPU build, and I'm using the 12 GPU cases. What I have, you have seen this on previous videos. The same case, it has 2400 watt server power supply, and 10 of the GPUs are installed in this case. There's no need to remove the fans on this particular model of the 2080, because the thickness of the card is not that bad, but also the I like, because don't need to remove the fans like on a RX 5700 GPUs, because with the fans installed, they do help additional on the cooling on the graphics cards. Because on most of the RX 5700 GPUs, they are quite thick, and you need to remove the fans to actually install in this case, which I don't like that much. The other ones, like the 8 GPU case, they have a little bit wider spaces between the cards. So this has between the PCIe sockets, it has 4.5 centimeters, but on a GPU cases there's 5.5. So basically the AMD 5700 GPUs can be installed with the fans on a GPU cases, but I just needed to install with a 10 GPU, so this is the case. I did try mine Ethereum already through the night. You know, it was stable. But the funny thing, the performance is, you know, with the best, most efficient settings, the RX 5600 XT, which is 3 times cheaper, does the same efficiency as the RX 2080 on mining Ethereum, of course. You know, it's a memory hard algorithm. But the funny thing is, when you look at the what to mine website, so I'll just click that here, and when you click 10, 20, 80 GPUs, the funny thing is the most profitable to mine is Ethereum anyway, because, you know, as I told in the start, there's a lot of action going on Ethereum. The gas prices are over 450 gwei, which is crazy crazy expensive. But yeah, you know, if you are here for, you know, to get your money back as fast as possible, currently, you know, these 2080s wouldn't be the cards you would want to go for, because the longer payback time, a lot longer than on the RX 5700s, but they are also quite good on mining Kapow. They are good on mining Green Coin. They are good on mining Z Coin, all the Kukuru mining algorithms. So I'm not gonna go into the details in this video how much is the hash rate on every of these algorithms. I will test it myself and probably will do it update video, so I will see and compare the results of the default results what I'm getting here from this website, and we'll compare the profitability if it's profitable. So you can see that the rig was here hashing 423 mega hashes, quite stable. You can see that these are the 10 GPUs, and I just switched it off just to get rid of the noise, because the case is quite noisy. And yeah, I was mining Ethereum with a Phoenix miner. Total power usage from the wall is for 10 GPUs it's 1500 watts, which is roughly a little bit more than the RX 5600 XT GPUs for mining Ethereum. So yeah, this is the the review what I have built on this mining rig, and this is the settings. And so yeah, I'll just show you the overclock settings also what I was using. So basically I was using maximum, I'm not sure if it's maximum, I used 2200 memory. I know that it should go till 2000, but I just tried 2200 and it seemed like it applied the overclock, so I went the minimum power limit 125, and I just reduced a little bit core, as Ethereum's memory hard algorithm doesn't need as much core clock. So yeah, these are the settings, and I was getting 42 to 43 mega hash per graphics card. Yeah, that's basically it. This is this mining rig build, and yeah, like I said it, you know, when you put these calculator data, the performance data in the calculator, and you see that Ethereum is most of the profitable to mine with these graphics cards, this means, you know, you rather buy an AMD graphics card, which is more efficient, like for memory hard algorithms. So this means that you will make your money back much faster. But still, you know, a lot of people like expensive hardware. This hardware is, you know, it's like a You know, it's like a woman. You like touching a woman for the first time you like very much, to, you know, touch such kind of hardware. The other thing, like I said, is that this hardware will have a lot bigger resale value. Let's say, for example, the RX 5700 or RX 5700 GPU in 1 year's time or 2 years time. So that's the biggest probably benefit of these graphics cards. And if some core efficient mining algorithm coin goes up in value very high, also you are taking the bet and you'll be rewarded for that. Thank you for watching the video till end. I hope you did enjoy it and you like such kind of build, such kind of information about such kind of hardware. Yeah, as I said before, I do believe that 2080, if I'm a large mining farm builder, is a waste of money. You know, it could have a lot bigger resale value in the future. For example, like a RX 5700 GPU, but still, you know, if I can make my money back twice as fast than buying a 2080 Super, of course I'm gonna buy a cheaper card. But also, on the other hand, with the cheaper card, not always, you know, for example, if the Ethereum goes to proof of stake in after maybe, you know, my speculation is minimum after 2 years. But let's say it does go to proof of stake, then there's no really other big memory efficient coins to mine with the AMD cards, and, you know, core efficient like Zcoin, you know, is mostly mined by nvidia cards, because nvidia cards has always been better performer on the CPU hard mining algorithms. So yeah, it's a bit of a gamble. Also depends what you're looking to mine. You know, if you're, you know, here just for the profits, take the fastest card for your return of investment. If you are supporting the coin, depending on which coin you want to support, choose the cards you want to, you know, the best, the most suitable for this coin. So this is what I would say. So I hope you did enjoy that video. If you found value, share with your friends. Hit that like button now. Also, we do still have the 10 Ethereum challenge. Read in comment section down below the video. We will give out new clue as soon as our YouTube channel will reach 20,000 subscribers. So one new hint we will give away. So share that video, share the YouTube channel now, and let's get those subscribers up. Otherwise, I'll see you on the next video, guys. Take care, bye bye, and mine hardcore or don't mine at all. Goodbye.